Dams are engineering structures that fulfill the essential need of water for various purposes such as domestic, agricultural, hydropower generation, and industrial use. With 6,628 structures listed in the National Register of Specified Dams, 2025, India ranks third globally in the number of large dams. Journey of CWPRS in conducting studies for embankment dams dates back to more than 70 years. CWPRS dedicated its services to the client needs always. Over the years, CWPRS has diversified into conducting specialized studies for assessing static and seismic safety and seepage aspects of earthen rockfill dams, tailings dams, ash dikes, reservoir rim stability, etc. Based on studies, suitable remedial measures for stability improvement and seepage mitigation are recommended. This video describes some significant case studies of embankment dams conducted by CWPRS. The first case study is of one of the largest earth dam in India. Total length of the dam is around 10 kilometers and height is 41 meters. The study was referred to CWPRS for stability and seepage analysis. During the site visit, various distresses such as slides, seepage, sliding, depressions, settlement, etc. were observed in the dam. Detailed geotechnical studies were undertaken to assess seepage and stability aspects of the dam to recommend rehabilitation measures. As a part of data collection for studies, it was recommended to conduct survey of the dam to obtain existing cross-sections. Also, geotechnical borehole investigations were recommended. Complete guidance in this regard comprising of detailed borehole location plan, type of in situ and laboratory tests to be conducted, soil sample extraction, etc. was provided to dam authorities. Seepage analysis was conducted using 2D finite element software Plaxis. The dam section along with soil layers was modeled in the software. Properties of various soil layers were assigned. Phreatic line obtained from seepage analysis was used for slope stability analysis. Slope stability was assessed using limit equilibrium method of slip circle analysis. Slope stability was analyzed for various conditions as per IS 7894 such as steady seepage, sudden drawdown, etc. It was found that out of 5 sections, factor of safety for 3 sections was less than the minimum required value. As such, to stabilize the section and to select most optimum rehabilitation measures, various trials with flattening of slopes, widening of berms, etc. were undertaken. Remedial measure in the form of shear key at dam toe was suggested. The studies helped to suggest suitable rehabilitation measure to stabilize the slopes of the dam. The second case study is of earth dam in Maharashtra. The irrigated land area is more than 1,000 hectares and the storage capacity is more than 60 million cubic meter. Considering importance of the project, the study for seepage analysis was referred to CWPRS. For conducting the studies and to know foundation strata, detailed geological investigation at site was conducted by taking boreholes along the length of the dam alignment. Seepage analysis of dam cross-sections was conducted using software Plaxis 2D for steady-state condition to establish phreatic line, seepage discharge, pore pressures and hydraulic heads in various zones of the dam and foundation. Seepage through foundation rock was found to be more compared to soil layers. To minimize the seepage through foundation of the dam, various trials with foundation rock grouting, upstream horizontal blanket and cut-off wall below cut-off trench were analyzed. It was concluded from the studies that cut-off wall below cut-off trench proves effective in reducing the seepage up to permissible seepage limit. Over the years, CWPRS has been involved in conducting geotechnical studies for embankment dams and providing site-specific optimized remedial measures. For more details pertaining to geotechnical stability analysis of the embankment dams, please contact Director, CWPRS. Thank you.